Introducing the 2025 Mazda 3, a redefinition of driving, where innovation and elegance collide to create something truly extraordinary. Feel the harmony between man and machine. The 2025 Mazda 3 is crafted to heighten your senses and make every drive unforgettable. Every line, every detail speaks to Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, a celebration of motion even at a standstill. With a lower, wider stance and a dynamic silhouette, the 2025 Mazda 3 is as daring as it is elegant. Step into a sanctuary of sophistication. The Mazda 3's cabin is crafted to elevate your every moment. From intuitive technology to Bose premium surround sound, every detail is designed for you to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. At the heart of the 2025 Mazda 3 lies the revolutionary Skyactiv X engine, delivering enhanced power, reduced emissions, and unparalleled fuel efficiency. Whether it's the dynamic response of the G-Vectoring Control Plus or the quiet smoothness of the hybrid drivetrain, the Mazda 3 turns every road into a playground. Safety that inspires confidence. The 2025 Mazda 3 features the latest iActive Sense suite, including advanced collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree surround view monitor. Your safety is always front and center with features like blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and rear cross traffic alert. With sustainability at its core, the Mazda 3 Hybrid delivers efficiency without compromise because driving forward means protecting the world we leave behind. Every drive, every destination becomes extraordinary in the 2025 Mazda 3. This is more than a car's future of driving. Experience the next generation today. Visit your local Mazda dealer or explore online at mazdausa.com.